Welcome! In front of me I have MICHAEL Kors Access Grayson, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Okay, after the application opens, you should see your Grayson right here on the in the app on the device page. Now scroll down, find the advanced settings option and tap on it. And here you should see Unpair Watch button. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair Watch. The watch will disappear from the app. You will basically go back to the welcome page. You can close the app. Now you can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's open the settings and find connected devices or Bluetooth settings. Tap on it, and here check if you have the Grayson Access Grayson watch right here on the list. If it was here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it and tap on forget, but as you can see on my phone it's not here. And also your watch will reset to the factory default settings. As you can see, now it's resetting. It took a while, but it will at some point. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.